So, here we go once again on this beautiful Mazda 2014 bought from the auction. Client complaint is the car don't start. Sometimes it's weird, sometimes this and that. And here is what I find. Right here. Right here. This is the root of the problem. The root of the problem. And now when I fuck around here, watch my light. Oops.
Yeah.
So here is our problem. Oppa. So here is our problem.
Yeah, give him video.
Rodent damage. Right here. I'm gonna have to clean this, solder these wires, and call it a day.